Hey guys, this is Rohit. This is the second part of the series and today we'll see simple and complex data types in Swift. Please hit the like button if you enjoy our videos and share it with your friends. Click on the subscribe button to stay notified with the latest updates. First, let's make a playground. In Swift, we have constants and variables. To declare a constant, we use the let keyword. Let name is equal to Rohit. To declare a variable, we use the var keyword. Var day is equal to Sunday. We can change the value of a variable later but not of a constant. So I can do day is equal to Monday, but it won't let me change the name. Let's say if I try name is equal to Steve. Swift is a type-safe language, so every variable or constant has a type. If the type is not specified, then it assigns the type from the data assigned to it. In the above example, both name and day have not been specified with a data type. They both are assigned data of the data type string. So, Swift assigns them the type string by inference. Let's make a variable for age. Var age is equal to 29. Now this is assigned data of type integer. Swift assigns it type int. If you want to specify the data type for a variable or constant, you can do it like this. Var age int is equal to 29. If I wanted the age to be of type string, then I would go about var age string equal to 29. Now this won't take 29 as a value as it is integer and you just specified your variable as string. So you will have to assign it a string like this. Swift also supports multi-line string. Just make sure the triple quotes are on separate line and you will be okay. While we are at strings, let me show you string interpolation. Print my name is / run brackets and name, or print I am / run brackets and age years old. Let's see how to declare double and boolean in Swift. Let radio is equal to 98.3. Let citizen is equal to true. So these were simple ones. Let's head over to complex types now. Arrays. They are sequence collection of elements of the same data type. Let ice cream is equal to vanilla, chocolate, strawberry. Let price is equal to 0.99, 1.5, 2.3. To get a value, you can just write print price square bracket 1. Sets. There are two differences between an array and a set. First, sets are unordered. They don't guarantee a sequence. Second, sets do not carry duplicate values. So if I use the same example of array for a set, let ice creams set is equal to vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, and I add vanilla to it, and let's say prices set is equal to 0.99, 1.5, 2.3, and I add 1.5 to it, you'll get to see both the differences. Unordered and duplicates are removed. Next is dictionary. It is an unordered association of same types of keys and same types of values. Each value is associated with a unique key which acts as an identifier for that value. var stations is equal to BRC Baroda, ST Surat, NDLS New Delhi. To update an existing value, stations square bracket BRC is equal to Vadodara, or stations.update value Vadodara for key BRC. To add a new value, stations MMCT Mumbai. To fetch a value, print stations ABCD. We are fetching value for the key ABCD, but what if the key does not exist? This could result in a nil. It's what we call an optional, as it could have a value or nil. To make sure that we have a value when we use it, we will either have to give it a default value like this, print stations ABCD, ? Not found. Which means if it does not find a value for the key, then it will print the default value provided. Or else you could force unwrap the optional. Print stations ABCD ! This basically means that you know it has a value and want to extract it. There is a risk involved with this though. If the value is nil upon extraction, then your app will crash. Like in the above case, we know that there is no key ABCD and hence it won't have a value. So it will be nil and still we have force unwrapped it. Thus the fatal error that leads to the crash. So make sure to use force unwrap wisely. To delete or remove a value from dictionary, stations.remove value for key and DLS print stations. To go through all the values of a dictionary for station code, station name in stations, print the station code for station name as station code. You can obviously use any name for the variables there. I just use station code and station name as it is more understandable. You can also iterate just over the keys or values. For example, for station code in station.keys, for station name in stations.values. Finally, this is how you create an empty collection. Let arr is equal to array of strings. Let set is equal to set of string. Let dict is equal to dictionary of string and string. I hope you get the basic idea on how to use simple and complex data types in Swift. In the next part, we will dive into control flow, functions, closures, and other things. Thank you for watching. Keep coding, keep helping.